Hi everyone, I'm gonna try to show you the new skid plate I put. It's the R4T skid plate. It's come from 3 parts. This one here, try to be my best for make a good view. This part here is the front part for the motor. And you have some trap here for the oil filter. I'm gonna put all the link on. So this one is the R4T skid plate with the Reroute exhaust. So it's completely flat, like you see here. Sorry, you know. Front part here, and you see the exhaust pass here on the front of the T case, and normally they pass on the rear and make some angle with the skid plate, but this one is a flat one. Completely flat. And I'm gonna put the link for the exhaust. Exhaust just start here after the catalytic converter, and this Toys for Truck Calgary make the job like usual. They make a really good job. I really like this place. So you can see here the exhaust there, pass here, and this exhaust here, it's running for Tacoma exhaust. It's the high clearance one. So I'm gonna go the other side. They stop here just before the axle, so you can see. And from here you can see all the skid plates is really flat with the Reroute exhaust, and this one is the running for taco. This exhaust is full stainless steel. I like where you sit, yeah, but it make more noise. The exhaust is a little bit smaller, and because he stay under the bed truck, so it make more noise than if he pitch at the same place than the original one. You see where they pitch just here before the axle, so the noise stay under the cab, under the bed truck, so it's way more noisy. But below 3000 RPM it's okay. It's just over 3000, yeah, it's a little bit more noisy. So this one